tangata mōhio a Rory Clifford I te ao hangarau.
I want to see more Māori, I want to see more of us in this sector because it's a fascinating place.
Hei kai rangahau I te whare wānanga o Waitaha, ko tētahi o ana mahi rangahau, kia whakapai I ngā rerekeetanga I waenga I ngai Māori me ngā hangarau hou.
This is the mussel farm robot. So this is our underwater robotics. These are the two cameras we use to gather the data. So it uses what's known as computer vision. So we've got fascinating underwater drones that scan mussels and seabeds. And it's all semi-autonomous or fully autonomous. We use artificial intelligence to do the scanning operation, as well as classifying all the mussels and feeding this data back to the farmers so they can get better growth models.
Hei tā te hikina whakatutuki, heke iho I te rima paihēneti o ngā kaimahi I te ahumahi hangarau, he Māori. Ko te mana koa Clifford, ka piki tēnei nama.
I could see opportunities for us and how we could really add value to that market as well. I just had a really deep passion to bring this tech to Māori and work with kaupapa that really matter to hapu and iwi.
I tīmata te whakaaturanga auaha ki o tautahi I te tau 2010 māwhiksu, nā koe nei te tau erima e tua nei tēnei kaupapa. Ko Michael Healy, te whai whakahaere.
It's all about kind of connecting the community, tamariki rangatahi with innovation, STEM, jobs and tech and opportunities, and I suppose getting those, the community excited about technology and innovation. We're finding from what we hear from the community, not everyone gets a chance to do esports or do robotics or see the latest and the greatest stuff. So a real focus of the event is to open up pathways to youth and make sure that people get access to all the exciting things that are happening in the world.
What we use is AI to process the data, look at the images and find mussels and count all the mussels, look for things like starfish or things that we don't want.
Nā tōna whāinga ōrite, ka tiro whakamua Clifford ki te mahitahi me ngā rangatahi Māori.
It's really just providing those opportunities and reducing the barriers of entry. I've got a fellowship to engage with Māori for 4 years actually. So just holding that mātauranga or these pūrākau from our tupuna, that's an amazing thing to have and to bring into the tech sector. And businesses want it. They want to have this.
Hei te tau e heke mai nei, ka whakatūria e Clifford te tūranga mō tētahi tauira Māori e ratana ki ngā mahi hangarau. Ora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.